Now that the heater core is done, now it's time to pull the Mustang out and start going on the rest of the dash. I got a bunch of new parts, I got some paint, so I'm gonna pull this guy out and get started. See how it goes. Alright, interior's painted. I have no idea how good it is. The lighting's horrible. So I'll have to wait for it to dry. It's about the end of the day, so I'll take everything off, put it back in the garage, and then I'll pull it back out on a sunny day and see how it turned out. All right, well, that's it for now. I got everything buttoned up for the most part. I'm actually gonna take the clock back out. I couldn't get the clock working. So I just ordered a quartz replacement, so that should be pretty cool. I haven't received that, so in the next week or two when I receive that, I'll put another video of putting that thing together. But for the most part, rebuilt the dash clusters. I'll have another video for that. Installed some LEDs. The LEDs weren't as bright as I thought. Yeah, let's see if I can show you. So here's a good shot of the dash cluster all lit up. I guess, you know, it looks pretty good in the dark. An issue I did find was that the clock was completely different. I don't know if the little light conversion bubble things in the back aren't hooked up, or they're just not, don't have enough paint on them. So I'm gonna have to resolve that, because that is not the same color, obviously. So more to come on that. For the most part, I'm happy with how things are turning out. The bezels, the wood bezels are all kind of a different color, so I'm gonna have to kind of figure out how to consolidate. I like the dash bezels. They're a little bit darker than they were before, and there's a bunch of different like light teak, dark teak, light and dark. I forget, is it maple, something like that, or almond? So I'll have to figure out what that color is, so I can replace the door cards or the door wood bezel pieces, and then the center console pieces as well. But for the most part, everything's coming along pretty good. So more updates to come over the next couple of weeks. We'll see how it goes.